We are here at the Kubernetes POC that we developed together with 6 companies, all members of the Open Industry 4.0 Alliance. And for us, that makes it very special because it's a huge, the biggest project we ever did in the context of the Open Industry 4.0 Alliance. And what we basically did is we created a modern IT, OT stack based on Kubernetes that shows different stages of a productive environment, starting from the development, going over to staging, and then to production. What we do next is we will improve. We have some lessons learned. If you are interested in contributing to this project, if you say, well, I have specific knowledge that can help you leverage that, bring that to production, then we're open for that. And we want to showcase that at the SPS 2025 in Nuremberg. See you there.